When it comes to email marketing, choosing the right tool can make or break your campaign. So, today we're diving into Mailchimp versus Constant Contact, which is the best for creating stunning emails. Let's start by comparing both tools head to head. Mailchimp is a household name in the email marketing world. It's popular for its easy-to-use interface and free tier that attracts a lot of small businesses. The design features are pretty solid, offering drag-and-drop templates that help you create visually appealing emails without needing design skills. However, one thing you'll quickly notice is that while it's great for beginners, it can feel a little basic if you're looking for more advanced customization. Next thing to consider is email automation. Mailchimp shines here with its easy-to-set-up automations, especially for simple workflows like welcome emails or follow-ups. But once you start getting into more advanced automation, Mailchimp starts to fall short, limiting your flexibility without paying for premium tiers. On the flip side, Constant Contact also offers a drag-and-drop builder, but it goes further with its design flexibility. If you're looking for more customization options, Constant Contact gives you more control over your templates. But this doesn't mean it's perfect. While it may offer more advanced customization, the learning curve is steeper, and that can be frustrating if you're just starting out. The fourth thing you should know is how both tools handle customer support. Mailchimp offers chat support, but you'll need to upgrade to a higher tier plan to access phone support, which can be a deal breaker for some businesses. Constant Contact, however, includes live phone support across all their plans, which could save you time when issues arise. But let's talk about pricing. Mailchimp has a free plan that allows you to send up to 500 emails per month, and it's pretty generous with its features for what it is. But once you go beyond the basics, Mailchimp can get pricey. The paid plans can escalate quickly, especially as you scale your email list. Now, Constant Contact doesn't have a free tier, but its pricing is straightforward, and you're getting access to support no matter what. The downside? Their paid plans aren't the cheapest on the market, so you'll need to factor that into your budget. The final point worth mentioning is analytics. Mailchimp's reporting features are robust, and its free plan even lets you see basic metrics like open rates and click-through rates. But if you want more detailed data, you'll have to upgrade to their premium plan. Constant Contact offers similar analytics, but the reporting tools are more simplified, which might be fine for some users, but may feel limiting if you're someone who loves diving deep into data. Now, after testing both Mailchimp and Constant Contact extensively, I'll say that they both offer great options depending on your needs. But if you're looking for something that outshines both in creating stunning emails without the premium price tag, I've got a better alternative for you. Take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best trial available along with exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Both Mailchimp and Constant Contact are good choices, but there's a reason this alternative could make your email marketing a lot easier, more efficient, and more cost-effective. Try it out for yourself.